So what is really omenala?
Observing nature.
So what is really omenala?
The simplest definition of omenala is observing nature in its totality. Observing nature. The word nature is originally from the word onetalo. Are you listening?
Yes.
The Igbo word onetara. Ndị Anambra ya kpe onetala ụwa. Ndị Igbo na-asụ n'onu onye isu ama Imo State Njaba ga-akpụ ya onetara. Onetalo. Onetara. You know, an Igbo word can interchange R and L.
Yes.
That is why you can see something like sometimes R, L, and N is interchanged.
Okay.
Onetano, onetalo, onetala.
Yeah.
Depending on whose dialect.
Yes.
Now, from the word onetalowa, because onetalowa is the full name for what you call owa.
Okay.
Owa, follow him here.
Wow.
The word is onetalowa, the overseer of the universe. The ancient Egyptian called it neta, because the Egyptian don't pronounce vowel sound. So the O was displaced for neta. From the word neta, the English word copied it and gave it nature. So omenana is just nature, the cosmos, and everything within it. Are you not part of nature?
Yes, I am.
Are you not part of nature? Is the leaves not part of nature? Is the water body not part of nature? Anyango part of nature? Onwa part of nature? So omenana is observing the totality of nature. Okay? Now, the truth is this. When people say omenana, every of us bụ ndị omenana. For the fact na Igbo onye Igbo, invariably Igbo onye omenana. Do you know why? I will explain what I mean.
Okay.
Iwepụta ilu na ilo, si anyanwụ na-acha. You've observed nature. Igbo onye omenana. Oh, mmiri na-ezo. What did you observe? Nature.
Rainfall.
Igbo onye omenala. Oh, anwụ na-etikwa. Ọnwa apụtago n'igwe. Nature. Igbo onye omenala. So omenala is not what you presume to be fetichism. In the sense that you see people na alụlụ aka. Gekwenti. Omenala is not what Nollywood projected it to be.
Okay.
Omenala is the totality of nature. I'll begin to explain bit by bit. For example, when we came to this plane from the astral plane, by si n'ufondo gwela atụlụ kpete wee bịa ebe a, anyị fụlụ ọsọ ọkpala bụ nzu. When we saw this nzu, it is part of nature. I mitili ebe a, ọ dị na ana ebia. Ọrụ na ana ka esi gutie. This thing was dug out of the earth. Right? It was dug out of the earth, but it came out very pure. Something that was dug out from dates, but came out very pure. So what do we do with it? Before we commune with our ancestors, we swear affidavit with the nzu. Iwe ite nzu enu. Esi? No ana m onye obie dị ọcha. Eji m obi ọcha bịa na Unique Generation TV. Ọbụna m kwulie bụ na ajive ka m bụ n'obi bịa nnaba m etetena. Maka na ndị Igbo sị gị na okwuchelu nwa iyi ka nke bụ eziokwu. He who says and swears is actually saying the truth. So when we take the nzu up, that's why adenye mmadụ nzu n'aka. When I take the nzu up, aja na mala onye obi ya dị ọcha. That is why when I want to commune with my ancestors, you see me keeping my feet on the ground so that they will scan my biometrics and see my data. Who begat me? Ndị aka akwụsị onye na-ekwu ive. Kedu onye ọkpịa agbado n'ana? They've scanned me. Oh, this is the son of Onyedika Sigbo, the son of Uchechukwu, the son of Kwon, the son of Auji, the son of Aniono, the son of Ojiako. They will mention the hierarchy of my generation. Who was given birth by the daughter of Chiokwe Abeze, who is Isioma, Mwopako, Ezikwe. So, maternally and paternally, my ancestor will say, oh, this is our own talking. What is his request? Ngocha offensive bluzie na ofom bujelu Chukwu okike Akose. Akose, the oldest name of Chukwu. Akose. Fabule belem bujezile Akose. The energy ahead of all energy. The Chukwu, the totality of all cheese. So that everything I have been declaring will be summoned to the supreme being. So omenana is observing nature. Example, when we say the word ritual, that is our problem. When I say I am a ritualist, what is ritual? The word ritual means that which you do at an appointed time, repeatedly.
Yes.
If you brush your teeth every morning, it's a ritual.
It's a ritual.
Eat a linea every morning. It's a ritual. So who are the ritualists?
Everybody.
Ntetolo toto if na mona bụ ritualist. Ntetolo toto bulu nzunaka kpọkụ ndị ichiem. This is a ritual. The rite performed every morning. Do you get my point?
Yes,
now, what do I gain by doing this? To tell those who have lived before me that I'm doing this. So, Bible, Exodus 20:13.
Yes.
Ụbọchị
Adam I did
ụlọ
belong on earth.
So now there is a principle stipulated to us if you want to live long. Ephesians 6:1 and 2.
Yes.
Children, obey your
Obey
parents in
parents,
the Lord,
Lord.
For this is right.
Honor your father and
Honor
mother.
thy father and
Father
thy
and
mother.
That days
For
may
this
belong on
is
earth.
the first commandment
With promise.
Exodus 20, na agụ ya na agbarata. If you are not football, Mongo bụ Jehovah bụ Chineke gị. Onye mere ka isi n'ala Egypt n'ụlọ ndị oru. Akụkọ aja mbene. At the end of the day, o nwere nke ekwere gị nkwa. Immediately he came to verse 13. Ọ sị gị, sọpụrụzie nna gị na nne gị with a promise. Ka ụbọchị gị wee mee gịnị? So, if you want to live long, you must remember to honor thy father and thy mother. How do I honor my father and my mother? When I wake up in the morning, I chant. Honoring my father and my mother is not only my living parents. Are you getting my point? So, honor my father and my mother entails counting the genealogy of their existence. Who begot my mother? Who begot my mother's mother? Who begot my mother's mother's mother? That is my 4th to 5th to 7th till where I can remember. When I got to the place that I could no longer remember, do you know what I would say? Izuzugbe. Onya akpolo. Those who I cannot recount, those that I have recounted, should recount those before them. Because posterity is linkage resonated in my deoxyribonucleic acid, my DNA. So when we chant on our ancestors, we are communing with those who have lived before us. Oh, do you know if I take away one person from your gene, from your lineage, you will not exist?
Yes.
True or false?
True.
If I take away one person from your DNA, from your lineage, you will not be here.
Yes.
Oh, you can just say soplo na na because some na na we you gbasa na bedsheet. Asa all me put wosa na so na bedsheet.
Yes. No. How go?
E wala hype su chapel. So just give credit to those people who transferred their energy to you.